In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove voiceover on your Capcut videos. So as you can see here, I have a Capcut video and it has a voiceover. So let's go ahead and listen in.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
So that is the voiceover, and I'd like to completely delete this voiceover. So to delete this voiceover on my Capcut video, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and select the voiceover, and here it is selected. Once you select it, you'll see the delete option or delete button. Now it will be active here. So to delete it, go ahead and click on it, and then it will be deleted. Now our video is without the voiceover. So if I go ahead and play it, now you can see it is quiet without the voiceover. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.